Hi everyone. I'm back with another bomb video. Today's video is about a strategy that is unknown and few people know about it. But I intend to help you today by teaching this strategy. The strategies that I teach are relatively difficult, but I want you to understand the essence of the content and the concept with a lot of simplification and use it and get profit. Let's go to today's magic strategy. The time frame we use in this strategy is 5 minutes. The time frame of 5 minutes is the favorite among traders, and most of them trade in this time frame. We set the time frame to 5 minutes. In this strategy, we use a golden indicator named Big Snapper. Add to the chart from the indicators section. We go to the settings section and from the style section, disable all options except slow-mo, and do not touch the settings of the input section. Now our indicator is ready. As you can see on the chart, the indicator consists of red and green boxes as well as EMA. This is how the indicator and strategy work. Using EMA, we determine whether the trend is ascending or descending. If the price is above the EMA, bullish. And if the price is low EMA, it is bearish. Then we go to the boxes. When the price is below the EMA, it is a downward trend, and we are looking for a short position. And we pay attention to the places where there are red boxes. If the bottom price of the box is red, and the trend is also downward, a small red arrow shows the entry point where to enter the position. On the contrary, when the trend is upward, we pay attention to the green boxes. If the price of these green boxes is high, the small green arrow shows us the entry point and we enter the long position. So in general, in long positions, 1. The trend is upward. 2. The price is above the green box. 3. With the help of the green arrow, we find the entry point and take a long position. In shorts positions, 1. It is a downward trend. 2. The price under the red box. 3. With the help of the red arrow, we find the entry point and take a short position. I explained this strategy in simple language, so that everyone can understand and can use this method. It can be used in all markets, including forex, crypto, stock market, etc. Let's open a practical position using this strategy so that you can better understand the strategy. In this area, the low price is EMA, and there is a downward trend. So we go to the red boxes. The red boxes are their low price. If you look carefully, there is a small red arrow that shows us the entry point. So, according to the strategy, we open a short position in this area. We put the stop loss above the last ceiling and set the TP almost twice as much as the stop loss. I should also mention that this strategy has a win rate of 75%, which is fantastic. Let's take a bullish example. In this area, the price is above the EMA and is bullish. And as you can see in this green box, the price is high. And this small green arrow shows us the entry point. According to the strategy, we open a long position at this point, and we put the stop loss at the bottom of the last floor and put the TP twice as much as the stop loss. Congratulations, the position will be closed with profit. This was our whole strategy. You can earn profit as simply and easily. Let me give some other examples so that you can fully understand the matter and open your eyes. In this area, there is a downward trend and the low price is the EMA. Also, the price of this red box is low. Well, the conditions are ready to load the short position. And we open our short position in this red arrow. And we set stop loss and TP. The transaction is closed with profit. We have reached the end of the video. I repeat again, by watching this video and practicing a few times, you will be able to open a position and make a profit. If you like the strategy and video, please hit the like button. Also, if you have any questions, leave a comment so that I can answer personally. See you guys soon in the next video. Bye.